Okay guys, please forgive the mess. I moved and I lost my studio when I moved, so I no longer have a desk to actually film these videos on. I'll try to figure out something for the future, but as it stands right now, this is where I'm at. So let's get into the unboxing. This is, I believe, because I ordered a couple things, so but I believe this is the ExoForma PermaShine. I believe that's what this is. If it's not, well, then this unboxing was for nothing. But let's go. So this is the unboxing now, and then I'm gonna do the application later. So this is all that comes in the box. That's it. So this. What color is this? Is this transparent? It's white. Or is the bottle white? I can't tell. All right, you know what? Let's open it up and see what color it is. Screw it. I thought this would come with the sponge and everything, like how the other one I unboxed from, I think it was, I forgot the name of that company. Yeah, there it is. All right, so it's white. So this is white, where the other one is blue. I'll show you some B-roll of the other one because I can't remember the name. I think it's 3D Shine or something, 3D something that I bought 2 years ago. That was blue. This one is white. So I don't know how this will apply to the tires. So this is the tire coating. So we're gonna apply this on my Xterra, not the Ram, because the Ram already has the 3D on it. So we're gonna apply this to the Xterra this weekend and see how this works out. So I have a video, and of course this will be in that video too as well. So I thought this would come with the spongy thing to apply it, the application things, but apparently not. It just comes with this bottle. But at least with 3D, they send you gloves. They send you, I think, 2 sponges or 1 sponge and gloves. This didn't come with any of that. So you get what you pay for, I guess. Okay, I ran and got the other one. This is the one I'm talking about. 3D Renew Protect Satin. This is a once a year application. This comes with gloves and the tool to apply it. This came with nothing. I'll annotate the prices of this and this, so you'll see the price of what you pay for. It looks like you get more. It's a little bit more with the PermaShine, but is it as good as the 3D? I know for a fact that the 3D is damn good because I use it on everything, like hot sauce. Like that ad with the hot sauce, I put that shit on everything. So yeah, we're gonna test this and see how this works. All right guys, peace.